I have a joke for you. What is a skeleton's favorite snack? Ribs! Spare ribs!
Hey everybody, my name is Victor Lay and this is my ENME351 final project. I took a Halloween skull decoration and carved out the eyes and attached servos to the jaw and made it rotate to make a very spooky Halloween decoration. This thing is comprised of 3 servos, one that controls the eyeballs via an internal gearbox, one that controls rotation of the head based on the external PIR sensors, and one that controls the movement of the jaw to open and close it. So the sensors there are 3 PIR sensors on each side of the base. These are motion detecting and can be used to detect like infrared heat signatures coming off of people. So that way the skeleton can kind of tell where you are. He has 5 total positions. We've got left center-ish, center, right center, and right. So depending on what side people are walking on him, he can kind of turn and face you. And then his eyes will sync up with his head rotation. His jaw is based on this Adafruit electret microphone. So based on how loud you're talking into it, his jaw will open. Yeah, he's also got some LEDs built into his eyeballs that light up, and one that hangs off of his jaw to kind of add to the atmosphere. So let's get into the hardware and software. So as for his wiring, the skeleton is made up of 8 total pins, 4 input and 4 output pins. 3 of the output pins are going to motors. One of them is controlling the eyeball through this gearbox mechanism, as you can see, as well as one output pin powering the LEDs that are lighting whenever his microphone detects audio. There are additional servos inside. You can see that control the jaw right there. There's a bit of a paper clip using that strings to the outside and connects to the jaw. There's also one that controls the rotation of the head that's getting a bit weak. Each of these 3 PIR sensors either outputs a digital high or low signal depending if it's detecting movement. So as long as there's something moving in the area, it'll output a 1, a high. So my Arduino code goes and takes that into account and rotates the head to match the latest seen motion by the skeleton. As you can see, the Arduino code accounts for all of these inputs and outputs, and will rotate the motor depending on how the sensors get input, either from the microphone to actuate the jaw and LEDs, or from the PIR sensors to actuate the head rotation and eyeballs. As you can see here are the conditions for the left, center, and right pins. So there are 5 total combinations, which the skeleton can rotate fully left, halfway in between left and center, halfway between center and right. I also have processing code to visualize the skeleton to help with debugging. It displays the levels of sound intensity and the brightness of the eye LED, which is controlled via analog output via PWM. And also as well as the jaw open percentage. It also shows the current PIR sensors that are lighting up. So you can see as well, if I move my hand to the right sensor, it'll bright up the right sensor on the processing sketch, as well as the center. There we go. So you can kind of track of where the head is moving at any given moment. There's a bit of delay associated with the processing code, as well as the PIR sensors. They do require a second to warm up before the code is first started, so I've accounted for that with a decent long delay, during which the eyes are lit up, so you know that it's not the code that's broken, it's just delaying it to give the PIR sensor some time to warm up.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder into fright when you hear these zombies shriek.